It's got this 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee right here, and they complain that I guess they got an Evap leak codes. I guess it says small leak, then it'll say large leak, then it'll say small leak. And they said they had it to a couple shops and they smoke tested the car, couldn't find any leaks. So there we go, general Evap failure, 440, 456 stored, small leak, and now we got a performance code. So when I saw this and knowing this car, I believe that this has like a, what they call an ESIM, which is like a valve that, oh well, it's weights. It's measured weights, a little weight and a big weight with a diaphragm, and it moves the weight depending on the vacuum or pressure in the tank. I want to look this up real quick, see what we can find. Let's see, I had looked this car up earlier, got it in the history. P0441, is that what we had? 411? No. Let's see, is it 440? There we go. OEM testing. What's this say? General Evap system failure. It's got a wiring diagram here. Yeah, so we got this leak detection switch, this Evap system integrity monitor, which is the ESIM. Let's see. It's a pretty basic system when it has an ESIM. That's like all you have on there for detecting it. Okay. Let's see. Can we bring this up? System wiring diagram. Engine performance. I don't know how they label eSIM in here. eSIM, because we should be able to click on it in the wiring diagram. Right here it is. Sorry guys. Let's see where it's at. Left rear wheel well. So I guess we'll get this lifted up. I had somebody go over the car, make sure that nothing looked like it was messed with. I don't think we can see it from underneath, but I'll lift it up a little bit. We'll look to see if we can go after this eSIM. I don't know if you can test it with the scan tool. I think we'll just see if we can get to this thing, because I don't know what's involved in getting this wheel well out. Or maybe we can get the liner out of the way enough, because let's just go up a little bit. We'll take a quick peek. See if that's enough. Grab a flashlight. Maybe we can do this quick. And it got rivets. Can we see? Yeah, we can't even see anything. I wonder if I take the wheel off. Guess I'll take the wheel off. Maybe we pull out enough of these clips since this is cloth and we can get behind it. I don't know. I don't want to draw out these rivets and then have to put rivets back in. I have them, but I don't like doing them. Okay guys, here's our eSIM module. I pulled the wheel well. I didn't have to take the whole liner out, so this liner can be pulled. This thing I believe just turns on here or something. I think it just rotates off or something. Oh, it looks like there might be a little tap down here. So like there's weights in here that are calibrated for vacuum and pressure. I think we can test this with like a test light, or maybe my power probe. I do have my power probe in here. Brought it out in my truck to do another car, but I might be able to use it for this. Let me take a check. Let me see if I can set this up for us. So guys, I got my power probe set up real quick. You can see showing nothing on my tip voltage. So I'm just going to use it as like continuity meter. So I got my AES Wave Utest kit connected right here. And if I suck on this end while holding this like perfectly straight up, you'll hear the weights move. But the power probe's not going to go off. You ready? So you can hear that. And if I blow on it, actually it's probably the other side. So we're getting nothing on this meter. But you can hear it. So like if I take this lead off, we connect it right here, because all this is 2 weights and a switch, or 2 switches I think in there, and we're getting nothing. We're getting no response. So this eSIM is bad. So I'm gonna get another eSIM, and then we'll do the same test with a new one. But you can see the weights in here. Just weights in a diaphragm. They're calibrated. Like this has to be oriented perfectly straight. So we'll get another one, and then I think her evap leaks should be fixed. We can actually look this up on the diagram. Let's go back. So if we go to the wiring or let's see, does it say theory and operation? So you'll see sensor ground and an eSIM signal. What's the guided component testing? Right here, simplified. Let's see. Large weight serves as check valves, a diaphragm, and a switch cover. 1 large weight and 1 small weight check valve. A seal is attached to the end of each weight. Okay. Small weight checks valve seals for vacuum. The weight check. Okay, let's see. Let's see, sense. Okay, at approximately 1 inch of vacuum, the switch closes and voltage to 0. Okay, so it closes at 1 inch of vacuum, and then it opens. It goes to 5 volts, so it should be open circuit with no vacuum. With some vacuum, it should go to 0 volts. So there you go, and we got nothing. So that should have been, because I guess it shorts at the ground. It takes it from 5 volts and shorts at the ground. So that's it. It's pretty basic. So I'm going to see if I can get one, and then we'll go from there. Okay, guys. So we got the probe set up again. Well, my power probe set up again. We're on voltage. So now if I suck on this, watch. You can see it goes off real quickly. So, see that? And then if I blow on this side, you see that? So this one works. Our other one did not work. So I'm going to put this on the car, and then we should be good to go. New eSIM's installed. It's clocked in the locking tab. So we're going to go to trouble codes. I'm going to clear trouble codes on this Jeep. And we'll see if we can do an evap test. I don't know if this will have an evap test, because this is like a natural leak. It's not looking promising. We might just have to drive it. I don't know if it would have something that would walk you through the whole procedure. Oh, that's it. There's only 2. I'm sitting here like going through it like there's going to be more. Special functions. Probably not going to have anything either. Yep, doesn't look like it. So we'll just have to run this. Oh, emission control test. Is that it? Oh, that's for a dyno. Yep, doesn't look like we have anything. So, just going to start it up, and then we'll see what happens.